Evernote or Notion. Two of the world's great note-taking tools are in this battle to find the best. So, let's get into it. Evernote is a note-taking program with slight project management touch. It follows the traditional note-keeping style with rich text options. Notion is something else. It's a multi-in-one program with note-taking, project management, database management, and documentation options. Both are online and both have sharing features and templates to get things done. The reason I said a lot about Notion is that it's a blog-based app with over 50 block types to populate notes. It has database management options where some blocks support adding other blocks and data to manage databases. It also has views to see data differently. Each note lets you set properties, and with those properties, you can change a note's view. For example, adding a dead property to a database lets you see data on a calendar. Notion has multiple views, and with proper knowledge, we can set them and switch them easily. Lastly, it supports embedding hundreds of applications into notes. Both have rich text editing options. Evernote has a toolbar to format text and add images, files, and other attachments. Notion has blocks, and each block has basic editing options. We also find headings, lists, tables, and more. Overall, I find Notion more prominent in terms of editing options. Another significant round that goes to Notion is that it has hundreds of great templates. If you want to see the true power of Notion, you must check out its templates library. Most templates are free, but you will find premium ones too. Evernote is new to this category, but it has 75 free-to-use templates to manage notes, tasks, and projects. Has something similar in both. You can invite others to view and edit notes. Notion has workspaces and Evernote has notebooks. Both let you create a public link for the note. Notion publishes the note to the web, while Evernote just creates a link for others to view. We are in the AI world, so we see both offering AI options. Starting with Evernote, we find an AI-focused search that generates text based on your command. For example, if you have a note on Zapier, you can get information about this program from AI. Notion AI has more purposes than Evernote's AI. It uses ChatGPT to generate text in the note. You can ask it to generate emails, pull information, improve text, translate it, etc. It has almost the same uses as ChatGPT. Evernote lets you email notes. Each account gets a unique email address. The email subject is the note's title and the body is the note's body. The app also supports creating tasks. The free plan only allows creating and completing tasks, but it's an extra option if you want a to-do app. Notion, on the other hand, has widgets. If you can't find a block, search for the widget and embed it. Some widget examples include weather, time, whiteboard, and charts. The program also supports embedding apps including Google Maps, YouTube videos, PDFs, tweets, and forms. With this, you can create a page with all the options you offer. Furthermore, you can export notes in multiple formats. This also includes Markdown to import the file into other Markdown language supporting apps. Evernote makes it challenging to export notes in its free plan. This is the moment to find out which is the ideal for you. Evernote is a note-taking program, and that's all it does. It helps with project documentation and collaboration, making it easier to take notes with teams. Notion is something far more significant. It has the power to eliminate multiple apps such as Excel, Trello, and Todoist. If you use those programs and want a better way to manage projects, go with Notion. It's a massive app giving you the tools you need when you need them. However, I must mention that Notion is not easy to learn. You'll need practice to master it. Also, managing everything in a single app can overwhelm things, making it challenging to switch to other applications.